Hello everyone, in this video lesson I am going to present the summary and important question answer of the essay The Nightmare Life Without Fuel. Let's begin. The Nightmare Life Without Fuel, Isaac Asimov essay. Character, speaker assist. Subject, fuel crisis. Advantage of fuel crisis. Disadvantages of fuel crisis. Back to 18th century's life. USA and USSR. One sentence summary. When the limited natural fuels will be used up, the human advancement will go back to the situation of 18th century with only 1 billion people left in the world. पृथ्वीमा रहेको प्राकृतिक इन्धनको प्रयोग गरिसकेपछि मान्छेको प्रगति 18औं शताब्दीमा पुग्नेछ र त्यस्तो भयो भनेपछि पृथ्वीमा 1 अरब जनसङ्ख्या मात्र बाँकी रहनेछन्। Summary. In the essay The Nightmare Life Without Fuel, the writer describes fearful situation of human beings when fuel would have used up in the world. The Nightmare Life Without Fuel भन्ने यस निबन्धमा लेखकले जब इन्धन यो संसारमा सकिनेछ प्रयोग गरेर त्यसपछि मान्छेको अवस्था कस्तो भयावह हुनेछ भन्ने कुराहरूको वर्णन गरेका छन्। संसारमा भएको इन्धन छिटै सकिनेछ र मान्छेले धेरै दुःख बेहोर्नु पर्ने हुनेछ। He describes the world of 1997. उनले 1997 सालको संसारको बारेमा वर्णन गरेका छन् यो निबन्धमा। According to him, that fuel of the world is decreasing. उनका अनुसार संसारमा भएको इन्धन घट्दै गइरहेको छ। So very soon few vehicles move with overcrowded र चाँडै थोरै मात्रै गाडीहरू घुर्ने छन् त्यो पनि एकदमै खचाखच भरिएर। There is no new and easy work. त्यसपछि कुनै नयाँ र सजिलो काम हुने छैन। People have to break down old buildings to get raw materials. मान्छेहरूलाई कच्चा पदार्थ पाउनको लागि पनि पुरानो बिल्डिङहरू भत्काउनु पर्ने हुनेछ। The work is too difficult without using machines. र बिना मसिन प्रयोग गरेर कामहरू गर्न अत्यन्तै कठिन हुनेछ। People use bicycle to go to work. र मान्छेहरू काममा साइकल चढेर जानेछन्। Coal is very difficult to dig up and transport. कोइला उत्खनन गर्न र एक ठाउँबाट अर्को ठाउँमा पुर्याउन ढुवानी गर्न पनि एकदमै कठिन हुनेछ। Nuclear fission is dangerous and expensive. अणु ऊर्जाको प्रयोग गर्नु एकदमै खतरनाक र एकदमै महँगो हुनेछ। Due to lack of fuel, only rich people drive cars. इन्धनको अभाव भएपछि एकदमै धनी मान्छेहरूले मात्रै कार चढ्नेछन्। Writer says that there are many advantages of fuel crisis. लेखकले इन्धन अभावका थुप्रै फाइदा पनि उल्लेख गरेका छन्। As very few vehicles move, there is no pollution. People become healthy. थोरै मात्रै गाडीहरू हिँड्ने भएपछि प्रदूषण कम हुने र मान्छेहरू स्वस्थ हुनेछन् भन्ने कुरा गर्छन्। The streets are full of people. बाटोभरि मान्छे नै मान्छे हुन्छन्। They protect themselves when they are in trouble. कसैलाई समस्या पर्यो भनेपछि अरूहरूले पनि सहयोग गर्छन्। Therefore, crime rates have decreased. र त्यसकारणले गर्दाखेरि अपराधको दरहरू घट्न सक्छ। Then the writer describes the disadvantages of fuel crisis. र त्यसपछि लेखकले इन्धन अभावका बेफाइदाहरूको बारेमा वर्णन गर्छन्। Due to lack of fuel and electricity, the comforts and joys of people have vanished away. इन्धन र विद्युतको अभाव हुने भएपछि मान्छेहरूको आराम, तिनीहरूको खुसी लोप हुने सम्भावना रहन्छ. People do not use electric equipments properly. मान्छेहरूले विद्युतीय उपकरणहरू राम्रोसँग प्रयोग गर्न सक्ने पनि छैनन्. They wear sweaters instead of using heaters. हिटर प्रयोग गर्नुको सट्टामा मान्छेहरूले बाक्लो स्वेटरहरू प्रयोग गर्नुपर्ने हुनेछ. People use animal and push carts work and travel. र मान्छेहरूलाई काम गर्न र यात्रा गर्नको लागि जनावर र ठेला गाडीहरूको प्रयोग गर्नुपर्ने हुनेछ. They get a fixed quantity of food but the amount goes on increasing. मान्छेहरूले थुप्रै पैसाहरू तिरेर मान्छेहरूले निश्चित मात्रामा मात्रै खान पाउनेछन् र त्यसको मूल्य पनि बढ्दै जानेछ. They cannot stock food due to lack of electricity. विद्युतको अभावमा मान्छेहरूले खाना पनि स्टक जम्मा गरेर राख्न सक्ने छैनन्. The little remaining energy will not allow to the people. र बचेको थोरै इन्धन त्यो सामान्य मान्छेहरूले प्रयोग गर्नको लागि हुने छैन. People outside of America suffer more because of the lack of food. अमेरिका भन्दा बाहिर मान्छेहरूले खानाको लागि एकदमै समस्या भोग्नु पर्नेछ. Many babies are suffered and dying of malnutrition. थुप्रै बच्चाहरू कुपोषणको कारणले दुःख पाउनेछन्. Only about 40% of the working people get enough food. काम गर्न सक्ने 40% जति मान्छेहरूले मात्रै प्रशस्त खाना खान पाउनेछन्. Outside the USA, newspaper print about starvation, disease, malnutrition, etc. Many people are dying due to the lack of medicine. अमेरिका भन्दा बाहिरका खबरहरूमा भोकमरी, रोग र कुपोषणका समाचारहरू छापिनेछन् र थुप्रै मान्छेहरू औषधिको अभावमा ज्यान गुमाउनु पर्ने हुनेछ. Only the USA and USSR have armies and fighter vehicles. अमेरिका र रसियामा मात्रै आर्मी र तिनीहरूसँग लड्ने फाइटर भेहिकलहरू हुनेछन्. Finally, he says that the fuel of the world is decreasing day by day. अन्तमा उनी भन्छन् संसारमा भएको इन्धन दिन प्रतिदिन घट्दै गइरहेको छ. They are going to back to the 18th century and use animals in various work. र इन्धन सकिएपछि मान्छेहरूलाई 18औं शताब्दीमा फर्किनु पर्नेछ र कामको लागि फरक फरक जनावरहरूलाई प्रयोग गर्नुपर्ने हुनेछ. It has become too late and we cannot do anything. र यति बेला हामी एकदमै ढिलो गरिसकेका हुन्छौँ र हामीले हातमा केही पनि हुने छैन. If we saved the fuel from 50 years before, it would easy for us. यदि हामीले 50 वर्ष अघिबाट नै हामीले इन्धन बचाउन लागेको भए हाम्रो लागि सजिलो हुने थियो. Long questions. Describe what the writer thinks will happen in the future, or describe what think will happen when fuel begins to run out, or what will happen if we do not conserve the world's natural resources. The writer focuses on the decreasing resources of fuel in the world. He describes human difficulties without natural resources. The writer thinks that when fuel begins to run out, the world becomes old, tired, and ugly. It has some advantages too. Decreasing fuel crisis causes many serious problems. There will be fewer lights in streets and homes. No luxurious equipments will be possible. It will be hard to go for miles. Difficulties will arise in transportation and the shortage of food. Shortage of food will be cause of death of people by starvation, malnutrition, weakness of brains is also possible danger. The suburbs depend on transportation for all kinds of things. Surely they will face danger of extinction at the lack of fuels and food. Everything would have minimized due to lack of fuel and food. Starvation, malnutrition, weak health and weak brain all will be result of the loss of fuel. What specific problem does Asimov focus on his essay, The Nightmare Life Without Fuel? In the essay The Nightmare Life Without Fuel, Isaac Asimov has tried to foresee into future when humans will have to suffer from extreme fuel crisis. The essayist is an American and has started the essay by mentioning the negative effects of fuel scarcity on American society. According to him, the American life will be changed into a nightmarish life. They will find themselves unable to keep private vehicles and have to travel in crowded public transport. The factories will stop production and they will have to rescue the metal parts from old and demolished buildings. Inside the house, they won't be able to operate ACs, heaters, or refrigerators. Hardly and hardly any American will be able to lit lights after supper. In short, they will have to live inside their dark, cold, and cave like houses. The fuel shortage will put the human settlements in and in suburbs. The American government will have to overlook the personal interest of his citizen. They will only allow the railway to use the coal. The remaining energy will be used by agriculture sector. The car factories will start producing agricultural machines. This will grow the agricultural product in America, but the price of food will knowingly kept high. This will discourage the people to buy more food and allow the government to export them, as it will be the only source of national income. The condition outside America will be more pathetic. There will be widespread starvation, as only 1 out 5 people will get sufficient food. About 80% people will suffer from hunger. Around 2 billion will have their brain permanently damaged. Human muscles and beasts of burden will replace the use of machines. They will have to work for longer hours with less leisure time and amusement. Even then, there won't be any guarantee of food. In short, the whole human race will be hopeless to suffer in the hell like situation. Drawing ideas from the nightmare life without fuel and using your own, discuss what will happen if the fuel resources of the world are finished. The life without fuel will be very difficult. If the fuel resources of the world are finished, fewer lights will be in streets and homes. Luxurious things such as shower, TV, computer fan, etc. will not be available. Absence of transportation and the shortage of food will make life very difficult. Many people will die of starvation and malnutrition. Brains will damage by malnutrition. Those small towns which had built up with the auto will disappear in absence of auto. People will lose their works. The writer has also shown some good aspects. However, he has presented a dark side of life. I think we must be optimistic as well because they will discover alternative resources, solar power and biogas, wind power, which makes less air and sound pollution too. It is unlimited resources of fuels. In the place of fuel vehicles, electrical vehicles will be manufacturing. There is no need to worry so much about the fuel crisis. Short questions. According to the writer or author, what will be the advantage of the fuel crisis? The author says that there are many advantages of fuel crisis as very few vehicles move, the air becomes clean, there is no pollution and the people become healthy. The streets are full of people, they protect themselves when they are in trouble. There will be more security in the society, so crime rates will decrease. What kinds of serious problems could a fuel shortage cause? There are so many serious problems causes the fuel shortage. Some of them are as follows. There will be fewer lights in the streets and homes. No luxurious requirements and equipments will be possible. It will be hard to go for miles. Difficulty will arise in transportation and the shortage of food. Shortage of food will be cause of death of people by starvation, malnutrition. Weakness of brain is also possibly dangerous result of lack of food supply. Development will be slow than past because of the scientific instruments. What does the author mean when he says the suburbs were born with the auto, lived with the auto, and are dying with the auto? Writer says that because if there is lack of fuel, then fewer vehicles run on the way, and it causes the less employment on the way. There are so many hotels and lodges on the way for the travelers. Those suburbs will decrease automatically. In our country, on the highway, established so many suburb cities like Muglin and so on, but it will finish if no vehicles run. So author says the suburbs were born with the auto, lived with the auto, and are dying with the auto, and it is really true. What specific problem does Asimov focus on this essay? Why does he consider this issue worth of attention? In this essay, Asimov focuses on the problem of constantly decreasing fuel resources. He considers this issue worth of attention because we are living in a highly industrialized society and our life at every step depend on machinery. Without natural fuels resources, our social and industrial life would rust. We would not even have enough energy to operate bus and train service. Even agriculture would suffer due to the lack of transportation, lack of food, household tool, cars, light, etc. would slowly become a thing of the past. Thus, the lessening of fuel resources has unspoken an alarming section. For this reason, Asimov shows his concern at this problem in the essay. Do you believe we can prevent any of these problems if we act now? Of course, we can prevent some of these problems if we act now. First of all, we should not be extravagant. Everybody should be frugal. Afforestation should be taken up by one and all as a national campaign. The government should be serious about its effort. People in general should be convinced of the long-term consequences of their acts. Only a made aware and want collective effort may save us from this slow death, and we should find out and generate new sources of fuel. Thank you for joining with me in this video lessons, and subscribe my channel to get my upcoming video lessons continuously, and keep suggesting us. See you soon.